The HyperX Alloy Origins 65 keyboard offers two primary methods for factory reset: hardware reset using key combinations and software reset through the Ngenuity application. The first method is a hardware reset using key combinations. Hold FN plus F12 for 3 to 5 seconds until the RGB lighting flashes, indicating the reset is complete. Alternatively, you can use FN plus Escape for 3 to 5 seconds as another hardware reset option. The second method uses the HyperX Ngenuity software. Open the application, select your Alloy Origins 65, navigate to Settings, and click Reset to Factory Defaults. For persistent issues, try a complete hardware disconnect. Unplug the keyboard. Hold any key for 10 to 15 seconds to drain residual power, then reconnect and perform the FN plus F12 reset. These reset methods restore all settings to factory defaults. RGB lighting returns to rainbow wave pattern, custom key mappings and macros are removed, profiles reset, polling rate returns to 1000 Hz, and game mode settings are disabled. Before performing a factory reset on your HyperX Alloy Origins 65, proper preparation is essential to avoid losing your custom configurations. First, back up your custom profiles using the Ngenuity software. This ensures you can quickly restore your settings after the reset. Document your key mappings and take screenshots of your RGB configurations. This visual reference will help you recreate your setup exactly as it was. When issues arise, follow a systematic troubleshooting approach. Start with the least disruptive method and escalate only if needed. System compatibility is important for software-based resets. Windows 10 and 11 provide full Ngenuity support, while macOS has limited compatibility. After completing a factory reset, follow these essential steps to ensure your keyboard is functioning properly and optimally configured. A successful reset is confirmed by several key indicators. The RGB lighting returns to the default rainbow pattern, all function keys respond normally, and no custom macros execute. Common reset scenarios include transitioning between different game genres, preparing the keyboard for sale, or resolving software conflicts. If issues persist after reset, contact HyperX support for further assistance.